Huawei executive Meng Wanzhou has lost the appeal to have her case dismissed. A BC Supreme Court judge ruling her alleged offenses would be considered a crime in Canada, and the extradition case will continue. Here's Nadia Stewart with the latest.
Huawei executive Meng Wanzhou will not be heading home as quickly as she'd hoped. A judge has dismissed her application, saying the criteria for double criminality can be met in this case. Now, that is a key turning point here. Meng was arrested at Vancouver International Airport at the request of the United States. They accuse her of bank fraud stemming from allegations she violated U.S. sanctions against Iran. Both Meng and Huawei have always denied the allegations. In her decision, Chief Justice Heather Holmes says, quote, the effects of the U.S. sanctions may properly play a role in the double criminality analysis as part of the background or context against which the alleged conduct was examined, end quote, citing this as part of the reason why Meng's application was dismissed. That means this case now proceeds to the next step, raising new questions about the future of the two Michaels, Michael Kovrig and Michael Spavor. The release of these Canadian men has not yet been guaranteed, of course, raising questions about their future. Nadia Stewart, Global News.
Also, with the defense, I mean, isn't this the layout of all the kind of perhaps things they might have had in their pocket to lay out for their defense? I mean, we've heard similar arguments from the very beginning of this. What could there be left? I mean, if this almost, you know?
Well, this was supposed to be the game stopper. That failed. They're betting the farm on the charter argument next. Potentially, the third lucky charm may be the disclosure of American evidence released under national security in the American process. The Crown in Canada has indicated at virtually the last minute new evidence and documents are going to be presented in this extradition matter. Perhaps that will be helpful for the defense. But so far, it is not good for Ms. Meng. Oh, I missed this judgment, so I lost my betting privileges. All one can hope for is that justice be done, and if our rule of law dictates extradition, that is a megaton political headache for the Prime Minister's office, because China knows full well, the Americans know full well, and the law says that it is a political minister who makes the decision to extradite at the end of the extradition process when the case goes not in favor of the accused. Beijing correctly can say, there is no rule of law issue. I am going to politically pressure you into a move that we want to see, Canada. And Beijing wouldn't be wrong, frankly, in doing that. We would do the same if we were on the other side of this matter.
Everyone good? Okay.